Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a lobster clasp and a jump ring to a wire necklace. All the information on the materials I use and any other details will be in the description box below. Once you're done with your necklace, you're going to get the end of the wire. Make sure to add about an inch or so at the end. Add your tube crimp bead. I'm using a tube style one. There's also round ones. This is a tube crimp bead. Once you have the crimp bead in, you want to slide the lobster clasp in through the wire. Grab your pliers for this part. You're going to need to bend the tip of the wire and slide it into the crimp bead. Now you're going to want to pull the tip of the wire down, get the lobster clasp end and the crimp bead close together. Once you did that, you're going to want to press down the crimp bead against the wire, flatten it out. Use your pliers for this part. This works as a knot so that to secure the lobster clasp and the wire. I like to use these open crimp beads to cover up the two crimp bead we just flattened out. They also work good to cover up knots. I will be putting down the sizes of each of the materials that I use in the description box below if you're interested. The open crimp bead you use should be bigger than the tube crimp bead that you use to secure the wire so that it could fit right inside and you could cover it up. This is how the lobster end of the necklace should look like. Now we're going to move on to the other side, the jump ring side. The process is basically the same. You're just going to add a jump ring instead of a lobster clasp to this side. If you have any extra wire, just cut it off or slide it inside the necklace beads to hide it. And that's it. That's how you add a lobster clasp and a jump ring to a necklace, to the ends of the necklace. This is the lobster side clasp and the other side is the jump ring side. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.